Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Long story short, as you can see, I already took out the front wheel. It's right here. And if you could guess what we're doing, I got another tire. Michelin City Grip shoes. I got this because it's a smaller tire. I felt like the 120/90 was too thick for me. Well, I mean, not too thick, but I feel like it was thicker than the rear. And I want it to be smaller in the front and thicker in the back. If that makes sense. But this shit looks hella small. I thought it was going to be a little bit taller, but we'll see. We're going to go to Steady's right now. We're going to switch out the tire, and then we're going to install it back on the bike. See you then. Alright guys, I just made it back from Steady's. This is how it looks. New tire with the Michelin. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Oh shit. But yep. So now it's gonna be like a staggered look. Like a skinny in the front and then like fatter in the rear. You know what I mean? So we're gonna slap it on, and then it might be like, it might have a gap right here. So I also got the TRS Lowering Kit headlight bracket. I'll show you that in a bit. But let's install this and then see how it looks.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
Alright, so here it is. This is how it looks. It looks kind of small, but there was no other size I could go with. Let's see from the front. So I knew there was going to be a gap right here, like if it's like stock shocks. So I got the TRS bracket, lowering kit bracket. Right here. The bottom, here's the top. That way the headlights go lower and it fills this gap up right here. Hopefully it compensates for that. But yeah. This is the look I wanted. Alright, let's install that kit.
I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Alright, it's on. This is the lowering headlight kit. Just how I wanted it. Look at that. That shit went so much lower. Now it fills up that gap just a little bit. And I noticed when I sat on my Ruckus, it was it felt way lower. So this is the staggered look I was going for. Like smaller in the front and like fatter in the back, tire wise. Damn. And this was like, you don't have too many options for the 10-inch wheel. This is the stock wheel, so you don't have that many tire sizes to choose from. And the reason why I kept the stock wheel is because I bought my Ruckus brand new, and I want to keep the mileage on there, original miles, almost 3,000. So well, I'm gonna do that until I can find a different option with matching the rear wheel, because the Ruck Shop is out of stock on the front 12-inch wheel to match that one. So I'm just doing this for now. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Probably next I'm probably gonna change these out. Maybe put the corner lights on the box instead. Man, looks hella nice. It's raining right now. It's fucking pouring. So I had to bring it to the back. Well, that's it. Until next time, guys. Peace out.
I like to call it a passion. I can't be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a pretty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction.